there, it's Alexander. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a piece of women's wear? Unisex wear? A piece of clothing from one of my staples, McCall's M7841 View A. Now I am making this for a friend as a surprise. She does not know she's going to be getting it. I'm going to send her it in the mail and see what happens. Now I am going to be changing this pattern slightly. I'm taking View A and making it into a crop top. Crop sweatshirt? Cropped garment? Either way, it's going to be cropped. I'm going to be lopping off about 7 inches from the actual length. Now, she is a size small, tiny, so I'm just going to be using this pattern. This is the special bit. I am going to be using my Cricut machine to put wording across the front. I will be using heat transfer vinyl, which you may have seen me use in a video for Polka Dot Sweatshirt. I'll leave the link above and below in my description box. This time, instead of doing the circles or dots, I'm going to be putting wording on it. Different. So, that being all said, let's get started. Let's talk about what we'll need. First off, we'll need fabric. I'm using black French terry. We'll also need ribbing for the collar, cuffs, and hem. We'll also obviously need heat transfer vinyl. Lastly, we'll need the pattern, as I said before. Now, if you want to see a video of me laying out fabric, I'll leave a link below or above, whatever comes up. But laying out the fabric is not that difficult. Just follow the pattern instructions. Once the fabric is laid out, all you have to do is cut. What you might notice here is my pattern pieces are white. That's because I traced my original pattern, made the adjustments, and cut using Pellon tracing paper. I'll leave a link below and above for a how-to guide on how to trace and adjust patterns. We need to find the front section of the garment. We're going to work on prepping for the heat transfer vinyl. Here we go, the front pattern piece. Now, we just need to find the center front by drawing a line vertically and then drawing one horizontally. This also means you need to determine where you would like that line to be. I went 1.5 inches underneath the armpit area. This gave me my perceived center front. Now you might have to adjust this for yourself. Now that I had this, I was able to lay the piece of vinyl over top of those lines to determine how tall I would like my lettering to be. From there, I just drew guidelines. Now that we have the layout generally done, it's time to get the wording started. With those measurements I took, and in my Cricut Design Studio, these are the words I am putting on the front of the sweatshirt. The machine will do the cutting for us. If you would like to see an in-depth video of me teaching you how to do wording for a graphic tee or anything of that nature, let me know in the comments below. Now, again, not everyone has a Cricut machine at home. If you want to do something like this, you could go to Michael's or a local craft store that has heat transfer vinyl or order from online. Draw out what you want, cut it out with some scissors, and iron on yourself that way. Once the Cricut machine had finished cutting everything out, it was time to weed, which means removing the excess vinyl that we won't be ironing to the shirt. Once weeded, this is what I had left. Next, it was over to the ironing board, where, I'm going to be honest, ironing heat transfer vinyl with a regular iron does take pressure, time, and patience. You're going to want to turn your iron up to the hottest setting based on the vinyl instructions, and you're going to sit there and press and press and iron and go back and forth. But the time and effort is worth it when ending up with results like this. Once the wording is ironed onto the front of the shirt, it was time to make the shirt. If you'd like to see a video of me making a sweatshirt, please follow the link above or below. This shirt will go together exactly like those. Easy, 1, 2, 3. If you're really looking to learn how to do a sweatshirt, follow those videos. Once sewn, I was done, and this was the result. Nice, easy, simple, fun, classic, beautiful. Now that everything is done, I just need to mail it off to her, and we're good. I hope I'll be able to get some photos back, and hopefully it looks good on her. If not... Wait, you think I was just gonna make her a crop top? Absolutely not. I hope you liked this video. Quick, easy, and informative. If you did, please subscribe below. Don't forget to hit that little bell just to the right there, so you can get notified when my next videos come out. And please, leave comments below. Bye now. Thanks for watching.